Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me, Brother Ali, back at it again, and today I'm going to be making some whole wheat brown sugar cookies. Thank you for the continuous support on all my videos. I got some fire content coming out, so stay tuned. I'm also going to drop the link to the Discord in the description if you want to join. It's up to you, but I'm looking forward to it. But with all that being said, let's get to it. For this recipe, I'm going to be using whole wheat flour, unsalted butter, and dark brown sugar. You know how we do it. This KitchenAid has literally made my life so much easier. Okay, so a quick note here. I did not shape the cookies by hand. I used a shaper here. I could have did it by hand, but that would have taken a long time, so I just want to take the easy way out. And then I just pretty much place them in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes because they don't take too long to cook. Personally, I've never had any cookies that taste similar to this. I did share it and other people said that it tastes like gingerbread cookies. Look at that. Look at this piece of art. Beautiful. The greatest thing to exist since toothpaste. No, I'm not going to eat it now because I'm fasting, but I can't wait for later. With all that being said, thank you so much for all the support in the videos. I look forward to making more. Leave a like at the bottom if you want to see more content like this. I had a lot of fun doing these videos. So yeah, Assalamu alaikum.